In this video, I am going to teach you how to draw isometric drawings in AutoCAD. Isometric drawings help represent 3D objects in 2D space, making it easier to visualize your designs. It's an essential skill for technical drafting and engineering plans. Let's get started. First, open your AutoCAD and sign into your account. Make sure both the source and destination drawings are open. Next, click the current view label. In this video, it shows as top. This drop-down is usually located in the top left corner of your drawing window. Then, choose a view under the isometric options. This allows you to see the elements in 3D before flattening them. Now, since we have access to the X, Y, and Z axes, you can begin drawing your object. This enables you to draft shapes and structures with depth and perspective. And that's how to create isometric drawings in AutoCAD. If this helped you, be sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple and clear tutorials.
See you next time!